Okay, there's gonna be a contest. Who can run faster, me or train driver Turkey? Let's find out in real race. Round 1. I win! What? Round 2. I win! What? Round 3. I win! What? Famous, you keep cheating! That's not fair. I don't get to win anytime. I didn't win the drawing contest, the math contest, the baseball contest, and I didn't even win the farting contest. And I'm not gonna win this one. And the winner is me, Famey.